I stay home if it rains. I stay home if it rains.
I study English if I have time. I study English if I have time.
I wash my hands before I cook. I wash my hands before I cook.
I feel better after I eat. I feel better after I eat.
I remember that we met before. I remember that we met before. I believe that he is kind. I believe that he is kind.
I eat because I am hungry. I eat because I am hungry.
I am sad because my friend is sick. I am sad because my friend is sick.
I smile while I work. I smile while I work. I look outside while I sit by the window. I look outside while I sit by the window.